Good morning, students. Welcome back to Max class. Students, today we are going to learn about trigonometry ratios of complementary angles. See here, complementary angles. What is the definition of complementary angles? Two angles of sum is complementary angle. Two angles of sum is complementary angles. So, complementary angles means 90 degrees. See here, first, some formulas for an acute angle A. See here, first one, sine of 90 minus A equal to cos A. See here, sine of 90 minus A. If sine of 90 minus A is there, sine will becomes cos A. See here, here 90 degrees is there. So, sine of 90 minus A is there, sine will become cos. So, here angle A is there. That's why here it will come angle A. See, suppose here 2A is there, means here it will come 2A. So, sine of 90 minus A equal to cos A. Next, see, cos of 90 minus A. See here 90 degrees is there. Cos 90 degrees is there, means cos will become sine. Cos will become sine. Next, tan of, so cos of 90 minus A equal to sine A. Next, see, tan of 90 minus A. See, tan here 90 degrees. 90 degrees is there, means tan will become cot. So, tan of 90 minus A equal to cot A. Next, cot of 90 minus A equal to tan A. So, here 90 degrees is there. So, cot will become tan. Next, secant of 90 minus A equal to cosecant A. Next, cosecant of 90 minus A equal to sec A. See here, for example, sine of 90 minus 2A. See here, sine of 90 minus 2A is there, means, see here sine of 90 is there here. So, 90 degrees is there, sine. So, sine will become cos. Sine will become cos. See here angle 2A is there. That's why here it will come 2A. So, sine of 90 minus 2A equal to cos 2A. Understand? So, here only A is there. That's why here it will come cos A. Suppose angle 2A is there, means here it will come 2A. Next, one more example. See here, 80 degrees is there. See, 80 degrees, we can convert 90 minus 10. See here, 80 degrees equal to, we can write 90 minus 10. 90 minus 10, 80 only. So, that's why 80, we can write 90 minus 10. So, we should apply here sine. So, sine of 90 minus 10. So, sine of 90 minus 10. See here, sine 90 degrees is there. So, 90 degrees is there, means sine will become cos. Next, angle 10 is there. That's why here it will come 10. So, sine of 90 minus A value cos 10. Sine of 90 minus 10 value cos 10. Understand this example? So, this concept related to exercise problems I will explain. See here, exercise 21C. See, tan 10 degrees into tan 15 degrees into tan 75 degrees into tan 80 degrees equal to 1. See, this is the LHS part, this is the RHS part. So, first we have to take LHS part. See, LHS part, tan 10 degrees into tan 15 degrees into tan 75 degrees into tan 80. See here, tan 10 degrees same as it is. We have to write. Tan 15 also same. Next, tan 75 we should write. See here, tan of 90 minus 15. See here, 75 we can write 90 minus 15. So, here see, 90 degrees came here. So, tan of 90 minus 15 here. So, tan of 90 minus A, tan will become cot A. So, same like that here, tan of 90 degrees is there, means tan will become cot. So, angle 15 degrees is there. That's why, see here, cot 15 came. See here, tan of 90 minus 15 value, cot 15. Next, see, 80 we can write 90 minus 10. So, tan of 90 minus 10. See here, tan will become cot. So, that's why tan of 90 minus 10 value cot 10. See next, tan 10 same. Tan 10 into tan 15 into. See here again, cot will be cot formula 1 by tan. See here, cot A formula 1 by tan A. So, here cot 15 is there. So cot 15 value 1 by tan 15. See here formula, we should apply here formula. Next, same as it is. Cot 10. Cot means 1 by tan is the formula. So cot 10 value 1 by 10. So next see here tan 10 into tan 15 into 1 by tan 15. See here 1 by tan 15 meaning here tan 15 no tan 15 no cancel. Next here also tan 10 no tan 10 no cancel. Remaining is what? 1 into 1 1. 1 is the answer. So we proved 1. So tan 10 degrees into tan 15 degrees into tan 75 degrees into tan 80 equal to 1 is the answer. Next, second main, first main, second one. See, sin 26 degrees by secant 64 degrees plus cos 26 degrees by cosecant 64 degrees equal to 1. See here, first here also we have to take LHS part. See here LHS part, sin 26 degrees by secant 64 degrees plus cos 26 degrees by cosecant 64 degrees. See here, sin 26 as it is divided by, see here 64 we can write 90 minus 26. See 90 minus 26 value 64. So that's why 64 we can write 90 minus 26. That's why secant of 64 instead of 90 minus 26 plus cos 26 degrees divided by cosecant of again 64 we can write 90 minus 26. So next step sin 26 divided by, see here secant of 90 minus a cosecant a. That's why see secant of 90 minus a, secant will become cosecant a. Same this formula we have to apply here. See secant 90. So secant will become cosecant. So here angle 26 is there. That's why cosecant 26 plus again cos 26 same divided by again cosecant will become secant. That's why secant of here angle 26 is there. That's why secant of 26 degrees. Next, sin 26 divided by, see here again cosecant formula 1 by sin. So that's why cosecant 26 value 1 by formula 1 by sin 26. We have to apply this formula cosecant a formula 1 by sin a. That's why in cosecant 26 replace we have substitute 1 by sin 26 because of cosecant formula 1 by sin a plus the same. Next, cos 26 divided by again secant a formula 1 by cos a. So this formula we have to apply here. So secant 26 replace we have to apply 1 by cos 26. So next sin 26 into, see here 1 by sin 26, it will go numerator, reciprocal it will come 1 by sin 26 reciprocal sin 26 by 1. That's why sin 26 into sin 26 by 1 plus next cos 26 into same again here cos 26 divided by 1. Next step, see here sin 26 into sin 26 sin square 26 plus cos 26 into cos 26 cos square 26. See here we have to apply trigonometrical identity formula sin square a plus cos square a value 1. So this identity we have to apply here in this place. So same like that sin square 26 plus cos square 26 value 1. So we proved 1. See sin 26 divided by secant 64 plus cos 26 divided by cosecant 64 equal to 1 is the answer. We see second main. See here second main, express each of the following in terms of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. So here this meaning is what? See we are proving that answer. In answer must and should it will come 0 and 45 degrees between answer only we have to get. That is that meaning. See here first question. See first question I will explain, it will understand. See first one sin 59 degrees plus tan 63 degrees. See here sin 59 degrees plus tan 63 degrees. See here first sin of, see here 59 degrees we can write 90 minus 31. See here 90 minus 31 subtraction 59. So that's why 59 degrees we can write 90 minus 31 plus next tan same. Next again 63 degrees we have to write 90 minus 27. See here 90 minus 27 value 63. That's why 63 place we can write 90 minus 27. Next see here. Now say sine of 90 minus 31 angle here. See here sine of 90 minus a will become cos a. So that's why sine will become cos. So that's why here's cos came. Next angle what is there here? 31 is there. That's why here cos 31 is this one. After cos 31 we will get plus. Next see tan will become cot. 90 minus 27 means here 27 is the angle. So tan will become cot. Angle 27 is there. So what is the answer now? Cot 27. See here sin 90 minus 31 means cos 31 plus tan 90 minus 27 means cot 27. So what is the answer now? Cos 31 plus 20 cot 27 degrees. See here what is the here they are giving question 0 degrees and 45 degrees between angle only we have to get. See here we got here 31 degrees means 0 to 40 0 and 45 degrees between angle only 31. Next 27 degrees also 0 to 45 between angle only. So we got 0 and 45 degrees between angle only answer we got. So this is the answer. Next second main third one. See here cos 74 degrees plus secant 67 degrees. See here cos of 74 degrees we have to write 90 minus 16. See here 90 minus 16 do subtraction 74 we got. So cos of 90 minus 16 plus see here 60 secant 67 degrees we can write 90 minus 23. See 90 minus 23 value 67. So secant of 90 minus 23. Next see cos of 90 minus 16. See here cos of 90 minus a means sine. Cos will become sine. Same like that here we have to apply here this one. Sine will become cos. So 90 minus 16 means here 16 it will come 16 degrees plus. Next secant will become cosecant. So angle here 23 is there. That's why 23 degrees. So what is the answer now? Sin 16 plus cos 20. Cosecant 23 degrees. See 16 degrees and 23 degrees between 0 to 45 degrees between angles. So this is the answer. Thank you students.